When an ex-chef, now home cook, goes into a Walmart. Now this is a neighborhood Walmart, which is just a fancy word for saying this is a smaller Walmart that's in a city. Now the goal for today is I want to find some foods to review and also possibly some stuff that I can do up, make nice. As you can see, this is not your typical Walmart. It's a little bit smaller. They don't have the oil changes. You can't like get your oil changed here or get some new tires and stuff like that. But they do have some interesting foods that you don't see anywhere else. Walmart is one of those places that is just getting weirder to me as I age. I grew up on Walmart. My family down south still goes to Walmart and it's a normal thing, but for me it's not normal anymore. Like, I'll go to a Walmart and I'll see something like Sour Patch Kids ice cream. Like, what the fuck? So anyways, let's go ahead and check this out. So no joke, this Walmart is out of all the baskets, so I'm just gonna use a fucking bucket today. Oh, there we go. Just gonna use a bucket. That's gonna be my shopping cart today. All right, we're starting off strong today. Choco milk. I grew up on this shit right here. So choco milk, it's like way better than the Nesquik stuff. It's like on par with Ovaltine, but they have the Mexican Nesquik. And I remember this shit being good. You got the backwards cap bunny, you know it's gonna be good. So I'm definitely gonna have to pick up some of this stuff. Into my bucket she goes. The cereal aisle at Walmart is always something new. Like, what the hell is this? I don't even want to say what that looks like, but we got a loaded Cocoa Puff. We've got a loaded Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We got mini Cheerios now. I've never seen any of this stuff. I always see something new when I go in the cereal aisle. I fucking love cereal, man. I don't even know what my favorite would be. Do you guys have a favorite? Can you even choose? I love Honey Bunches of Oats. I love Lucky Charms, Honeycomb, Smacks, all the things. These are fucking good. This stuff right here is hit or miss. That one's kind of whack. That one's okay. The ramen aisles, the instant ramen aisles at Walmart, fucking slap, I'm telling you. I've never seen this before. Holy shit, tapatio. And then, of course, this one's almost out because this sounds bomb. We've got a tapatio instant birria flavored instant ramen. This is gonna be the hit of the video right here. I'm telling you right now. Okay. Walmart's such a fun shopping experience because, like I'm telling you in the beginning, there's just shit here that you don't see at regular stores. I'm seeing oven roasted turkey spam, hot and spicy spam, maple spam. Look at this. We've got a maple spam. Like, have you guys ever seen this? There's actual waffles on the fucking cover of this, on the label. There's turkey. Like, what is going on here? This is why Walmart has different stuff, I'm telling you. Okay, I might have lied. This, although this hits, this might be the hit of the video right here. Maple flavored spam. That's everything I've ever wanted. I don't know where they get these ideas, but I feel like Walmart just gets all of the coolest, way out there shit. Like, maybe it's just a bunch of stoners at the board. I don't know, but I'm here for it. Okay, now we're on to the fun frozen aisle. Let's see what's up. They've got all your standards. We got Nutty Bars. Wow, I didn't know they made Reese's Nutty Buddies now. Kind frozen bars, which to me kind of goes against what Kind is supposed to be. Definitely not portable. I've never seen that before in my life. We've got every flavor fucking imaginable of Klondike, but we also have Twix ice cream bars. Then there's a Dippin' Dots knockoff. I love Dippin' Dots, so I'm sure this is really good. Itty Bits. That's a great name. When in the hell did Little Debbie's come out with her own honey bun, fudge round, and birthday cake? My God, I used to crush honey buns when I was a kid. I was a honey bun, damn. Even a Nutty Bar, oatmeal cream. Oh my God, these were my favorites. Oh, fuck. I would crush this, but I would feel like garbage. And it goes on. Look, man, I'm not hating on it. This is where Walmart thrives, okay? For like the real working man, I've been here, okay? I've been here where I'm trying to get my protein and you buy these like frozen grilled chickens or like the frozen raw chickens. That's only $5 for that whole bag. Get the fuck out of here. Chef Ramsey lasagna. It looks disgusting. This is what happens when you go big time, guys. Is this what I'm gonna have someday? Guy Fieri flavor town mac and cheese. Okay, not hating on Guy Fieri. Guy Fieri's the man, so I'm gonna try it out. Should I do sweet and sour pork, enchilada, mac and cheese, or lasagna? Oof, this is tough. This is tough. It's very rare that I see this at any other store, so I'm gonna get this other item. My mop bucket's almost full, by the way. And I come to Walmart till this day just for this one single item. And that is fat-free Kraft cheddar cheese. Now, it's not as good as regular cheese, but it still hits. It's got hella protein, way less fat. And I'm already against buying pre-shredded cheese because it got all the coating agents, but this does the trick. It's got hella protein. And that's why I come to Walmart just for this, literally just for this. All right, now keep watching if you want to see me try this shit out at home. I'm gonna head home, I'm gonna check out.